Amalungu omphakathi wase-White City nase-Rockville abekade efuna ukuzibonela ngokwawo abasolwa njengoba bebevela enkantolo yase-Protea ekuseni namhlanje, kanti ebedune kakhulu ngokuthi enqatshelwe ukungena ngaphakathi enkantolo.
Umuntu olapha ukwatile and umuntu olapha kwathi ukwatele into eyodwa bawathola ingane amaphoyisa angane kunengane engaphandle elove esikoleni izolwela amalungelo wengane kodwa ingaphandle abayingenisi ngaphakathi imile izolwela amalungelo wengane ukuthi azizazi ingane ukuthi ziya-abuswa ziyabulawa.
Singajabula kakhulu kahle sila njengoba somphakathi siphume ngobuningi sizocela ukuthi umthetho abangayitholi bail siyacela nje umthetho uyosizwela kulo ukuthi nabanye abacabanga ukwenza bangasakwenzi.
Ngaphakathi esicawini senkantolo udaba lwabasola lithathe isikhathi esifushane kakhulu njengoba kunqunywe ukuthi basazogcinwa idokisini kusenziwa amalungiselelo ukuthi bathole abameli bakahulumeni bamahala.
It was a brief appearance. You remember that on the last occasion the matter was set down for both accused persons to acquire legal representation. So what we have been informed is that Legal Aid South Africa will be representing accused number 2, Mthunzi Zulu, and then accused number 1 has since changed to Legal Aid South Africa, as she previously indicated that she'll get her own private lawyer, but today she came and informed the court that she also applied for legal representation with Legal Aid South Africa.
Icala lihlehliselwe uLwesihlanu olizayo enkantolo efanayo yase-Protea.